Hey guys, welcome back to Daisy Crochet, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing something very interesting and exciting, at least for me, because I've never done this before. Fiona has done this before, but I haven't. And it is how much can I crochet in 1 hour. So if you guys don't already know, I'm market prepping right now. I have a few market vlogs out if you want to check them out. I'm pretty busy market prepping every day. So I've already been crocheting today, but I did not have any timer set or anything. So I'm gonna set up a timer and everything for right now, and it's going to be 1 hour, and we're gonna see how many things I can make in that amount of time. And before we get into actually crocheting, I'm just gonna show you guys what we're making and the colors we're gonna be using. So I need to prep my puff flowers for my puff flower claw clips. I have enough for the little Brett clips that I bought, and then I made enough for one claw clip. It's a white and light pink claw clip. So this is kind of what the claw clips look like. I have never sold these in markets before, but I'm very excited to. So I am going to make some puff flowers today in preparation for that. I figured it was also a good idea to use puff flowers for this challenge because they're smaller, and I know I can get like more than one done because I'm kind of a slow crocheter. So if I was doing plushies or something, I don't know how many things I'd be able to get done. Maybe we will try doing plushies another time, but today we're going to be doing puff flowers. So let me show you guys the colors we're going to be using. So I have this Loops and Threads white. This is like the pure white. It's just called white, but I also have the off white and I like it, but I've been using pure white for the claw clips. And then I have this messed up skein of light blue. I love this light blue color, so hopefully it won't get too knotted on me during this challenge because I don't want to spend it untying yarn. And then I also have this light purple. So I'm going to be doing 2 clips total, but each one has 6 flowers on them. So one will be white and blue flowers and the other one will be purple and white flowers. So hopefully I'll be able to get them both done in this amount of time, but honestly I don't think I will because that's 12 flowers and you have to do the centers of them as well. So I'll probably just make as many as I think I can and then spend the rest of the time sewing on the middles. I don't know. But if you guys want to know how to make the puff flowers, I did use Blondie Knots tutorial for the claw clips. I do make my puff flowers in a slightly different way. So if you want to know how I make my puff flowers, you guys can go ahead and watch my puff flower keychain tutorial. So I'm going to start setting a 1 hour timer. I think I'm going to do it on my laptop so that we can see it and I can show you guys because I'm filming on my phone. And then I'm going to get started making the flowers. And I'm so excited to do this with you guys. Okay guys, so it's gonna be backwards for you guys, but I did put it at what I'm pretty sure is an hour, and so I'm just gonna press start in a minute here, and this is just a timer that I found on Google, so hopefully it works good, and I'll turn my volume on to make sure we can hear when it ends. But my plan is to kind of pause the timer and give you guys updates throughout, so hopefully every like 20 minutes maybe. Yeah, we'll just check in every now and then, and I'll let you guys know how much stuff I've made and how much time we have left. But I'm gonna turn on Secret Lives of Mormon Wives because I love that show, and a new season comes out tomorrow when I'm filming this, so I'm gonna go watch that. And I'm gonna start with the white yarn crocheting the flowers, so let's do it. The timer's at 55 minutes and 35 seconds when I finish my very first puff flower. Okay guys, I just paused the timer for like 1 second, but I finished 3 puff flowers, so this is going to be for the first claw clip. So I'm gonna move on to doing blue flowers now, if I can even figure out what to do with this yarn. And hopefully I'll be able to get those done within a good amount of time. Right now the timer is at 46 minutes and 25 seconds. So that took me like what? Almost 15 minutes to make 3. That's not the best, but it's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore the mess that this yarn is and start the timer again. And I'll let you guys know once I have made these ones and where we're at with the timer. Hey guys, so the timer's at 31 minutes 43 seconds now. And I just finished this one. I'm just popping out the petals, but I paused the timer, so it's fine. But I did just finish these 3 puff flowers. So technically now we have enough puff flowers for 1 claw clip, which is really good. But I do still have to make the centers. So I think I'm gonna make the centers for these ones now, because realistically, I could make the whole second claw clip in this amount of time since it only took half the time. But then I won't end up with any of them actually being done because none of them will have centers. So I want at least some done, you know, so that I can glue them. So I'm gonna make the centers, but I'm really tired, guys. Like, my hands are actually tired, and this usually doesn't happen. I don't know if I'm going faster than I usually do or what, but I definitely should not have done this on a day that I was doing other crocheting, because I've actually done a lot of crocheting today. Why did I think that this was a good time to be doing this? Oh, I know, because I have to post this video in 2 days. Anyways, I am going to try to stretch my hands and make these centers, so wish me luck. Okay guys, timer is at 26 minutes and 35 seconds. So that took me 5 minutes, 6 minutes-ish. And I got done 3 of the white and 3 of the blue. So now these are ready. I think I'm gonna assemble the flowers now because 1, it will give me a break from actually crocheting, and 2, I'll have the flowers done, which will be great. So I am going to assemble all of this, and I will start the timer while I'm doing this, even though it's not like actively crocheting because I'm still making the products, you know. So I'll let you guys know how much time we have left after I assemble them all. Okay, the timer is at 19 minutes and 17 seconds. I actually lost one of the flowers, so I had to pause it for a second to try and find it, but other than that, it's accurate. And this is what the white flowers look like, and this is what the blue flowers look like. They're so cute. So we have 6 flowers total done, and now I'm gonna move on to the purple and white ones, but we probably won't get them done because there's only 19 minutes left. This is actually going by so quickly. So I'm gonna start with purple just for a little bit of a change. Sometimes all it takes is just changing a color for you to kind of be less bored. But at least I have a good show, and my hands are not as tired anymore, but they're still pretty tired. So wish me luck with this last 19 minutes. Guys, there's 5 minutes and 28 seconds left, and I just finished the 3rd purple flower, so I don't have any of the white ones done yet, and I probably won't get them done within the time. But I think I'm gonna do the centers of these for the last 5 minutes, and then I guess start a white flower if I still have time left. But maybe I'll just make all the centers actually, because that will probably take the whole time. I don't know. I'll turn on the recording again when we get close to the timer going off so you guys can hear it. But yeah, I can't believe how fast this is going, but I am definitely a little bit tired, so yeah. Timer's done. I was literally just putting the second middle on to the puff flowers. I only got one done. So I guess that's how much I can crochet in an hour. Okay, this was actually so fun. I didn't get done very much, but it's okay. So I have 3 white and blue puff flowers, super cute. And then I have 3 blue and white, I guess, puff flowers, also cute. And that whole claw clip is now done, aside from gluing it onto the claw clip, obviously. And then I have 1 purple flower completely done, and 1 with the center half in, and then 1 without any center. But then I did make the center for the last one, and then I also have all 3 of the purple centers, so these will go on the white flowers once I make them. So it's kind of hard to say how many things I made. I completed 7 flowers, and then I have 2 incomplete flowers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 to 5, let's say 5 centers of the flowers that I haven't sewn on fully yet. So I would say this was pretty successful. I'm glad that I got at least enough for another claw clip done. That's great. And I can't wait to finish up the claw clips in my next market prep video, which is going to be gluing my flowers. And then I'm also gluing some keychains and then the puff flower stuff. So I'm super excited about that, so stay tuned for that video. But this was actually so fun. I had so much fun with the 1 hour thing. It was kind of stressful, but not really, because I was like watching a show, so I kind of forgot about it at some points. But it was definitely interesting to see exactly how much I can make in an hour. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this before. I do recommend trying it if you haven't already, because it's pretty fun to see. I would love to do this again with like plushies or wearables or something like that. But for now, this was really fun. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!